Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 7th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has ranked QQQ as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 6.86. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this period. The ETF has experienced a gain of 4.34%. This equates to an average return of 1.45% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the upper end of a weak rising trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $515.58 would initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 8.07% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a decline of 0.011% to an increase of 8.5%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 24.3% over the next year, with a potential return between 11.84% and 30.37%. This translates to a price range of $574.34 to $669.53 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, QQQ ETF price up 1.58% on Thursday. The QQQ ETF price experienced an increase of 1.58% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 7th of November, 2024. It rose from $505.58 to $513.56. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to observe whether it can maintain this upward trend or take a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 1.18%, with a low of $508.34 and a high of $514.33. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and has risen by 4.31% over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 10 million shares, with a total of 31 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $15.67 billion. It is important to note that declining volume amidst rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $514.33, while the lowest price was $369.57. Currently, the price is 0.15% or 75 cents, below the 52-week high of $514.33, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. In recent news, the Invesco QQQ Trust, commonly referred to as QQQ, continues to attract attention as a key player in the large-cap growth segment of the U.S. equity market. As the exchange-traded fund that tracks the NASDAQ 100 index, it offers broad exposure to technology and innovation, making it a significant choice for investors seeking long-term growth, especially in sectors like artificial intelligence. However, the market exhibits some caution, with discussions surrounding alternative exchange-traded funds, such as the QDTE, which presents an innovative investment strategy that could potentially outperform QQQ. Furthermore, the upcoming 2024 election may introduce volatility to tech stocks as reshoring initiatives become a central topic in political discussions, potentially affecting manufacturing and supply chain strategies in technology companies. Despite these influencing factors, QQ's historical resilience and the consistent performance of the major technology companies it encompasses suggest that it remains a reliable option for investors. The anticipation of market shifts following earnings reports continues to impact short-term trading behavior. Consequently, investors are encouraged to closely monitor developments as potential fluctuations may present timing opportunities for strategic entries or exits in the upcoming weeks. Overall, QQQ's combination of growth potential and current market conditions will be crucial for evaluating both immediate and long-term investment strategies. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQ ETF shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the ETF. There is also a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected around $495 and $490.76. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and since then, it has appreciated by 14.46%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last trading day, even as prices rose, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact short-term developments. Additionally, a sell signal is currently active from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 45 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 40 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 43 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 243 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $481.27 and $475.34. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead the fund to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $481.27. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $475.34 and $468.62. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low for this fund. Over the last day, the exchange-traded fund moved $5.99 between its high and low, which is a change of 1.18%. For the past week, the exchange-traded fund has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.17%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we need to discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate a low expectation for the company's future performance or suggest that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, which could present a buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the exchange-traded fund could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to help determine when to exit. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at 481.27. If this support level holds, it could serve as an advantageous entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $497.02, representing a decrease of 3.22%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, contributing to a minimal risk profile. Additionally, a buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom identified 44 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? QQQ holds several positive signals and is within a weak rising trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it to be a favorable choice at these current levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 8th of November, we expect QQQ to open down $1.48, starting at $512.08. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in any buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.